Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to set a daily step goal on Garmin Forerunner 70. Okay, we are going to do it in our Garmin Connect app, so let me zoom out a little so you'll be able to see my phone, maybe even more. Okay, now simply open up your Garmin Connect app. Of course, you need to be synced, and then click on More. Go into Activities, click on Steps, and in here, click those three dots, select Edit Goal, and in here, select the daily steps amount. For example, I will do 15,000, and then click on Save. You can also enable the auto goal. Your device will automatically set a goal for you and adjust it each day based on your step activity. And then click on Save if you want to apply the changes. Now we can see that we have done 40 steps of 15,000 only. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.